Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Indeed. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you want to do is be on Indeed. So coming to the Indeed website and just make sure you are logged in. So originally I thought you'll be able to go up to your settings and change your language from there. As you can see, there's nothing about changing a language in any of these settings. So this is actually possible, however, we have to go to different URL because for some reason it's not in the main settings. It is like kind of hidden away a bit, so we have to do is go up to the URL and type in indeed.com. Then from here you want to type in / and then preferences. And then when we search, here's where we can actually change the language on Indeed. So it gives us a few different options about jobs and results. As you can see at the bottom, it says language, and here we can set the interface language. So obviously it's on English at the moment, but if you wanted to change it to any of these, you can do so from here. It hasn't actually got tons of language to choose from. It doesn't have every single one, however you will be able to choose any of these if you do speak any of these languages. So just want to click which one you want to change it to, and then you can click the Save Preferences button here and then click OK, and that is how you can change your language on Indeed. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.